Hello, welcome. It is great to have you here. This video is about what you should sell as an affiliate marketer, and stay with me for your bonus, which is another way to make money from home, enough to be able to quit your job in 3 to 4 months. If you are a new aspiring affiliate marketer, it is so easy to get lured into selling the wrong products. Every affiliate wants you to sell their products, but not every affiliate is going to be a good fit. Before we go on, I want to point out that it is not your job to sell. Sell is a bad choice of words, since it is your affiliate's job to sell. Your job is to send traffic to your affiliate. You do that by creating curiosity, interest, need, and/or desire. Rather than sell, share features and benefits, mainly benefits. The question still remains, what products are going to be the best products when you are new to affiliate marketing? The following is based on Mr. P's experience and Mr. P's opinion. If you are brand new, putting most of your focus on physical products is a great place to start. Mr. P suggests that you affiliate with well-known companies such as Walmart, Amazon, eBay, Lowe's, and Home Depot. It is easy to become an affiliate. Join affiliate networks such as Rakuten, Impact, CJ, and ShareASale, and then search for well-known brand name companies and products. Your advantage is that these products are much easier to sell. The disadvantage is that commissions are relatively low. Commissions range from about 3% to about 10%. Why not sell high-ticket items? For the same amount of effort, you can make a lot more money. Promoting high-ticket items may seem like it is your best choice, but it is not. Sending traffic to high-ticket items is a bit like starting at the top. You are simply not ready. You need to gain knowledge, you need to gain experience, you need to pay your dues. You need to work your way up. Starting with easier sales is going to help you to make money. Maybe not a lot of money, at first, but you will make money. You will see that affiliate marketing works, and you are much less likely to quit. As you gain experience, and as you get more proficient at generating traffic, consider moving up to digital products. Digital products pay more, usually 50% on up to 75% and even more. In the near future, you will be ready to join affiliate networks such as ClickBank and JVZoo, which are primarily digital products. As you master digital products, you should be ready to sprinkle in some higher ticket items. Whatever products that you affiliate with, consider learning what is called niche research. Niche research is a marketing strategy that will help you to weigh things such as demand and competition. Actually, there are free tools that you can use that will do most of the work for you. Mr. P's favorite niche research tools are Ubersuggest and TubeBuddy. To learn more about niche research, watch Mr. P's niche research training video. You will find a link in the description below. If you like this video, if you are finding value in this video, give it a big thumbs up, turn the like button black, do that right now, thank you. And consider joining this channel so you do not miss any videos. Hit the subscribe button, smash the subscribe button, and ring the bell so that Mr. P can let you know whenever a new video is published. This brings us to your bonuses. Your first bonus, as promised, and a surprise bonus that will help you with getting started and with making more money. Bonus number 1 is Mr. P's number 1 choice for making money online. It is fast-track training that will enable you to make $10,000 or more within the next 90 to 120 days. You will find a link below where it says Start Here. Click the link and Mr. P will send you all the details. Your surprise bonus is a trick that Mr. P uses and one that can help you. It is to set up a comparison page. Instead of one big screen TV, consider comparing 2, 3 or more comparable name brand models from different sources. Brands such as Samsung, Sony, LG, Vizio, and TLC. Name brands are easier to sell. From sources such as Amazon, eBay, and Walmart. The sources are well known and are also known for some of the lowest prices. This decreases shopping around and also makes conversions easier. Allow me to wish you much success. Mr. P and I are rooting for you. If you have not yet hit the like button, please do not forget, and be sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.